Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix the microphone not working on your Nothing Phone 3. So first, what you guys can do is clean the microphone port with a non-metallic tool. Remember to use something that's soft, like a soft brush, and that's because of the metals. So whenever you use the metal, you can only damage the port and it can be much worse. And then what you guys can do is test the mic in the voice recorder. So here we have the recorder. It's pre-installed on this phone. Click agree, and here click allow. And now it's basically recording our microphone. So what we can do next about it is, if our microphone is not working, then we can restart our phone. Basically, it fixes a lot of minor glitches, including this one. So hold the power button and the power up button, more likely click it at the same time, and now click restart. So the phone is now rebooting and it should refresh the entire system. So I'll see you guys once the phone is ready to use. Now after the restart, what you guys can do is go over to settings and check for software updates. So scroll a bit down until you guys see the system right at the bottom, and here click on the system updates. Now as you guys can see, my system is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you guys updating it. It's very important. As you guys can see, it will check for update, and I'm running the latest version, so make sure that you also run the latest version. And that's basically it. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.